puja in our Hindu temple of Scotland. I welcome Vishwa Bhakkari Samsthan from India, headed by Dr. Sridhar Raghunath Das Maharaj and his team. I may not know all the names. I will hand over to Mr. Ramakrishnan later on for the introduction. But here we have, on behalf of temple, we will do the today also being Ekadasi. I will be doing the puja, Ekadasi puja. Initially, we will start with the Sankalpa mantras, and after Sankalpa, from 11:45 bhajan will continue. So, Dr. Raghunath Das Maharaj and team has come from Pandharpur in India. You all know it's Vittal Panduranga temple there, and they are all going to sing today in Panduranga Bhajan. We all will be more gifted to join today's Bhajan, especially being the fasting day of Ekadasi today. And after 1 o'clock, we will do the regular puja, Naivedya, and the Mangala Arati. During the Mangala Arati, around 1:30 p.m., we will again have the Arati song from the Bhajan team. So, temple is on behalf of temple committee. I am more than happy to welcome you all, and we will continue. I will start with the Sankalpam now, and then we will do the proceed. I don't know whether it is coincidental or not. Today being the final match happening of Champions Trophy, so I would expect more devotees to join later on, around close to 1 o'clock or so. But can I call Mr. Ramakrishnan? Can you introduce
Shweta will introduce.
Welcome everyone, each of you. Thank you.
Ramakrishna Hari. We have Maharaj who has come from Kadenallur in Tamil Nadu. So he is not a Maharashtrian, he is a Tamil person, and he has picked up the Varakari Sampradaya, and he has learned Marathi, and he is going to do Abhangs in Marathi. We have on Pakwaj, Prasad Jadhav Maharaj. He is from Pune, he is Maharashtrian, and he has been with our Samsthan playing Pakwaj for Maharashtra for quite some time, and he has been teaching Pakwaj for children and adults in India. And on town, we have Venkatesh. Venkatesh is from Australia. He's born and brought up in Australia, and he'll be from Australia.
Vignam Nignanti Satatam Vishwaksenam Tamastraye Arihi Om Sri Govinda 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 Asya Sri Bhagavataha Mahapurushasya Vishnoho Adhyaya Pravardhamanasya Adya Brahmanaha Didiya Parate Sri Svetavaraha Kalpe Vaivasvatamanvantare Ashtavigamshati Tame Kaliyuke Pratame Pade Jambudvipe Bharatavarshe Bharatakande Shalmalidvipe Harivarshe Airokande Angirasa Deshe Clyde Nadi Dakshine Dire Sundara Ganapati Devalaye Meroho Dakshine Pathwe Sahabde Asmin Vartamane Veharikana Prabhavatina Sashti Samvatsarana Madhye Krodinama Samvatsare Uttarayane Shihiragato Kumbhamase Suklapakshe Ekadasyam Bhanuvasara Yuktayam Punarosa Nakshatra Yuktayam Subhayoga Sabakarana Yevan Guna Visheshana Visishtayam Asyam Vartamanayam Subhaditau Adya Subhadine Sri Lakshmi Sameta Sriman Narayana Sri Mahaganapati Sri Devasena Valli Sameta Subramanya Swami Adityadinam Navanam Grahanam Durga Lakshmi Saraswati Devinam Sri Hanumat Sameta Sakala Devata Anugrahanatam Adya Ekadasi Subhadine Shodasa Upachara Pujam Karishe Tadangam Pujanartam Sri Vakkari Vittala Panduranga Bhajan Karishye Sakala Devatana Manugrahanam Sakala Janaha Prapti Rastu Sarvamangalani Santu Samasta Dirga Mangalani Bhavantu Om Arihi Om. So we'll do the very brief portion of Vedas to start with, because Veda is the most important. Then after the Bhajan, towards the end of Aarti, I will do the rest of the Veda portion. Harihi Om Agnimire Purohitam Yagyasya Deva Mritvijam Hota Aram Radadatam Harihi Om Vishetorje Tva Vayavasto Vayavasta Devo Vasavita Tarpaya Dusretavaya Karmanapya Yadvamagniya Deva Bhagamurtaswati Payaswati Prajavati Rada Viva Ayakshmama Vastena Ishadamagashagam Sorudrasya Hetif Parivo Vunat Dhruva Spingopada Usyata Bhakti Yajavanasya Pashun Pahi Harihi Om Agnaya Hivitaye Grunano Havyatataye Digota Sabya Bargishi Harihi Om Shanno Devi Rabishtayapo Bhavanti Vitaye Shanyo Rabhisravantunaha Harihi Om Shanno Mitra Shambarunaha Shanno Bhavatvaryama Shanna Indro Brihaspatihi Shanno Vishnurikamaha Tavo Brahmane Tavastevayo Tvameva Pratyaksham Brahmasi Tvameva Pratyaksham Brahma Vadishyami Rutam Vadishyami Satyam Vadishyami Tanma Bhavatu Tadvaktara Bhavatu Avatu Mam Avatu Vaktaram Om Shanti 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 Shanno Mitra Shambarunaha Shanno Bhavatvaryama Shanna Indro Brihaspatihi Shanno Vishnurikamaha Namo Brahmane Namastevayo Tvameva Pratyaksham Brahmasi Tvameva Pratyaksham Brahmavadisham Rthamavadisham Satyamavadisham Tanmamavi Tadvaktaramavi Aviva Avi Vaktaram Om Shanti 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 Sahana Bhavatu Sahanau Bhunattu Saviryam Karavavahai Tejasvinavadhitamastu ma vidvishavahai Om Shanti 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 Namo Vache Yachoditaya Chaludita Tasyai Vache Namo Vachaspataye Namarshibhyo Mantrakritbhyo Mantrapadibhyo Mama Vrashayo Mantrakrito Mantrapatayah Para Durmaham Rishiki Mantrakrito Mantrapati Paradam Vaishvadevim Vachamudyasagam Madastam Kirtaan Devebhya Sharma Medyav Sharma Prithivi Sharma Vishwavidam Jagate Sharma Chandra Surya Sharma Brahma Prajapati Bhutam Vadishye Bhuvanam Vadishye Tejo Vadishye Yasho Vadishye Tamo Vadishye Brahma Vadishye Satyam Vadishye Tasma Ahamidamu Pastaranam Me Prajayai Pashunam Bhuyas Pastaranamaham Prajayai Pashunam Bhuyasam Pranapano Mrityormapatam Pranapano Mama Sittam Madhvanishye Madhvanishye Madhvakshyami Madhvadishyami Madhvati Devebhyo Vachamudyasagam Susrushenya Manishye Vyastamma Deva Avanti Shobhayai Vitarona Vadantu Om Shanti 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 Tachandyo Ravanimahe Vatum Yagyaya Vatum Yagyapataye Daivige Swastirastanaha Swastirmanishebhyaha Urdam Vigataveshadam Shannoastadvipate Sanchaleshpate Om Shanti 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 Divi Shanti Antarisha Shanti Dyav Shanti Disha Shanti Ravandra Disha Shanti Agni Shanti Vayu Shanti Aditya Shanti Chandrama Shanti Nakshatrani Shanti Rapa Shanti Roshadaya Shanti Vanaspataya Shanti Gau Shanti Raja Shanti Ashwa Shanti Purusha Shanti Brahma Shanti Brahmana Shanti 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 Meyastu Shanti Avirgir Yatato Nabunamapyaya Hari Mo Vardamanaha Nidasto Dribhyo Mahi Gotra Rujasi Bhuyishtabajo Atadesyame Brahma Pravadishmatando Mahasi Om Shanti 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 Om Tadvishno Paramam Padagam Sada Pashyanti Surayaha Divi Vachakshura Tatam Tadvipraso Vipanyavoja Gruvagam Sassamindate Vishno Yat Paramam Padam Om Sri Lakshmi Sameta Srimannarayana Yanamaha Om Sundara Ganapataye Namaha Om Valli Devasena Sameta Subramanya Swami Namaha Om Sakala Devata Namaha Harihi Om. So now from now we will start with the bhajan. I request Maharaj and the team to start. So we have non-stop bhajan to immerse in devote full bhakti until for another more than 1 hour. So with the blessings of Srinivasa, I request to start the bhajan. Thank you.
वारकरी संप्रदाय हरि कीर्तन தமிழ்தான் பேச போறேன். எல்லாருக்கும் தமிழ் புரியுங்க. இந்த ஹரி கீர்த்தன்ங்கிறது வந்து பாட்டா பாடிட்டு போறதுன்னா பஜன் பேர், கதையா சொல்றது உபன்யாசம் பேர். ஹரி கீர்த்தன்ங்கிறது பாட்டு, அதோடைய அர்த்தம், பாட்டு அர்த்தம்னு மியூசிக்கும் டிஸ்கோஸும் சேர்ந்து ஹரிகதா கதா காலக்ஷேபம்னு தமிழ்நாட்டில் இருக்கு. அதான் மகாராஷ்டிரா ஹரி கீர்த்தனை சொல்லுவோம். நாம சங்கீர்த்தனத்தை பிரச்சாரம் பண்றதுக்காக வேண்டி யூகே நாம சங்கீர்த்தன பிரச்சார யாத்திரைக்காக வந்திருக்கோம். நம்ம ஜெய ஜெய ராமகிருஷ்ண ஹரி இந்த நாமத்துல ஆரம்பிப்போம். எல்லாரும் திருப்பி பாடலாம், எல்லாருமே பாடலாம். முடிஞ்சு ஒரு அபங்கம், சுவாமியுடைய ரூப லாவணியத்தை வர்ணிக்கக்கூடிய சுந்தர தியான அபங்கம் இருக்கும். அதை முடிஞ்சு திருப்பி ராமகிருஷ்ணனுக்கு பஜன் பண்ணிட்டு இன்னைக்கு சின்னதா ஒரு அபங்கம், சின்னதா ஒரு ஸ்டோரி, அந்த அபங்கத்துக்கு உள்ள வியாக்கியானம், அதோடைய மீனிங் பார்த்துட்டு then we finish the satsang. natural atmosphere. We'll do a